Hello students, today we are going to discuss union, intersection and minus in SQL. Introduction. There are many ways to combine data coming from multiple tables. Similar data having same fields from different sources are usually combined using set operations like union, intersection and minus. For example, suppose we have to send New Year greetings to all employees and customers of an organization. We have to combine name and address fields, similar data from both the tables using set operation union to form a common mailing list for sending greeting cards. Here, simple appending of similar data like name and address from different sources like employee and customer tables one after the other will not do, because some of the records may be same in different sources. Example, some of the employees may be customers also, leading to duplicate entries. First, we will understand each of these set operations theoretically and then with SQL examples see how it actually happens. Binary set operations, union, intersection and minus. Here two sets A and B we have defined. First, set A. Within set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. We write it like this. Set A is equal to within curly braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Similarly, set B we have defined with the elements 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the picture also we can see within the set B the elements are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we are defining union, intersection and minus. Union, all such elements which are either in set A or set B. A union B giving us a set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In simple language, we can say combining all elements of set A and B together, excluding the duplicates, that is A union B. In the figure also we can see the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9. Right? So the duplicate elements will come once. Next, intersection. Intersection means all such elements which are both in set A and set B. A intersection B is a set of elements 5 and 7. In simple language, all the common elements of set A and B, that is 5 and 7, will come within the set that we are getting with the intersection operation of A and B. Next, minus. Here we will get all such elements which are in set A but not in set B. That means from the figure you can see only within the set A, not in set B, elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also A minus B giving you the set of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So in simple language you can say the elements which are only in set A that you will get after minus operation. Understand, girls? Next, set operations in database. In database context, a set corresponds to a table, also called relation, which contain row, also called records or tuples. Number of attributes, that is fields or columns of a relation, is called the degree of that relation. We combine two relations in set operations if they have the same degree. That is, number of columns should be same in both the relations or tables. For set operations to be meaningful, apart from same degree, the relations should have same type of attributes in same order. We can form similar, that is same degree, attribute types and attribute order new relations from different existing tables or relations using projections and selections and combine them using set operations. This we have already made clear in your first slide, that is in introduction slide. I gave one example, that is employees and customer. Hope you remember employees and customers of an organization. Here we deal with same kind of data, that is name and address in employee table and same fields name and address in customer tables. They can be combined in union operation. Right, girls? MySQL does not support intersection and minus operations, but it supports only union operation. Many DBMS like Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MariaDB use except for set difference operation instead of minus. Only Oracle is there. Within Oracle you will get all these three, this union, intersection and minus operation. Database operations, union, intersection and minus. Union is a binary set operation which combines two relations of same degree to form a new relation containing each tuple row either from the first or from the second relation. In other words, tuples of both the relations are added in the output, excluding duplicates. See the execution. Here I told you that in MySQL all the operations you won't get. So I am showing you in PostgreSQL. For that the command is psql sophiadb, that is my database name. If I press enter, we will directly move inside the database. Here I'll give the command select star from cricket player. Suppose cricket player 1 table is there. See, within the cricket player table, 3 fields I have taken: registration number, name and class. So, here in the table, all the girls are playing cricket. So, registration number, number type field, name to string type field, and this class, you know, 11, 10, this is also string type field. Next, one more table I have already created, that is select star from football player. That means the records here will give you who are playing football. So in the above table you have seen that 5 records are there. Here you can see 6 records are there in football player table. Now if I show you the union operation within these two tables, first suppose I will write select star from cricket player, then suppose I write union, then select star from football player, meaning select star from cricket player will give you all the records of cricket player table, and select star from football player will give you all the records from football player table. So within these two tables record, if I do the union operation, what will be the output? Let's see. In the output 11 records should come because in first table you have seen 5 rows, in the next table you have seen 6 rows, but within these two output you can see 2 records are common. Okay, so here you see Harshita's record is present in both the table. First table Harshita, and in second table also you can see Harshita. Similarly, Rachna is also present in first table and Rachna is present in the second table also. So, in the output of union operation, we are getting 9 rows, 9 records we are getting, because those two duplicate records are not coming in the output. Suppose you want to see the duplicates also, then you can do it like that. After union keyword, you can write all. Select star from cricket player, union all, select star from football player. Both the records, both the tables records will come in the output. There will be duplicate records also. See, total 11 rows are coming in the output. Here you can see 2 times Rachna, you will get 1 and 2. Similarly, 2 times Harshita also you will get 1 Harshita and second Harshita. Right, girls? So that is union operation. That means in union operation here you are getting all the records, means all the students' records who are playing either cricket or football. And here you are getting the names of the girls who are playing cricket and either cricket or football. Next, we will go back to our presentation. Intersection operation. Intersection is a binary set operation which combines two relations of same degree to form a new relation containing each tuple or row which is present in both the relations. In other words, only common tuples of both the relations will be added to the output. See the execution. Here, same thing, select star from cricket player will give you all the records of cricket player, and select star from football player will give you all the records of football player table. Here I'll show you intersect operation. Let's see the output. Here you will be getting 2 records only, because from both the tables 2 records are common. You are getting, that is Harshita and Rachna. I told you already that in both the tables Harshita present, Rachna also present. So in the output you are getting 2 records only. That means Harshita and Rachna are playing cricket and football both the match. Rest minus except is a binary set operation which combines 2 relations of same degree to form a new relation containing each tuple or row which is present in the first relation but not in the second relation. In other words, tuples which are present only in the first relation will be added to the output. Let's see. Here minus we cannot use, I told you already. We can write here except. Select star from cricket player, all the records of cricket player will come. Then except operation, that is a minus operation, set difference. Next, select star from football player, it will give you all the records of football player table. So within these two select command, if we use the except operation, what happens? You see, these three records are present only in cricket player table. See the cricket player table once more. See, in the cricket player table 5 records are there. Rachna and Harshita. I told you these 2 records are the duplicates one. So except duplicate, what are the rest records? First one Gitika's record that we are getting in the output. Next one Khushi and next one Astha. So only cricket they are playing. Gitika, Khushi and Astha, they are playing only cricket. Right girls? Let's see the presentation. So in this session basically we have seen union, intersection and minus operations. So hope you understand. Thank you.